You've got the words to change a nation, but you're biting your tongue. You spend lifetime stuck in silence, afraid you'll say something wrong. If no one ever hears you, how we gonna hear your song? Come on, come on, come on, come on. You've got a heart of lions, so why your voice be tame? Baby, we're a little different, there's no need to be ashamed. You've got the lights to fight the shadows, stop hiding it away. Come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream to the words right out. Put it all on my papers, I'm not afraid. They can read all about it, read all about it.